Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Polkawallet's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Polkawallet's account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Polkawallet application. The official page of Polkawallet application will appear on the screen. Tap on Import Account option, then click on Substrate Account. On the next page, click on Mnemonic. Enter your mnemonic codes and tap on Next. Type in your name, enter your password and confirm your password by re-entering it and then click on Next. This is how you can log into your Polkawallet's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.